Okay, now your napkin is square. Okay, first fold. Fold it in half, like this. Yes, very nice. I definitely see your folding. And now you fold this corner up into the top, right? Crease it. Now you do the other side. And it is okay to have a little space between the middle. Now, since the tabbies are on this side, flip it over. Remember, the tabbies are now in the back right here. And fold this way up. Sorry. See, now you see these, right? They're in here. Now you just fold them in so the tabbies are staying. And there, you have your own mini napkin, like a fancy restaurante. Okay, that is how you make a mini napkin. Okay, bye. Subscribe.